Hello, I am Dr. Soumya. The learning objective of this present experiment is to teach children about heavy, light, equal or same concepts. Material required for this experiment is a pan balance and these three color cards heavy, light and same. And whatever material which is available in your surroundings. Here I have taken a duster, some crayons, wooden blocks, color pens, some coins, and these are the small weights, cotton, wool, a piece of sponge, and some paper pieces. You can take the material which is available in your surroundings like this. Hi children. Hello. Let's learn something interesting. Now, I will show you something. This is called pan balance. You can see these two are pans. What are these? Pans. And what is it called? Pan balance. I will show you some color cards. Can you identify the color? Which color is this? Yes, red. And this color indicates heavy. What is it? Heavy. And which color is this? Yes, this is green color. And this indicates light. What does it indicate? Light. And this is yellow color. This indicates same. What does it indicate? Same. Now, can you tell me what does it indicate? Heavy. Yes. And this is light. And yellow color indicates same. Okay. I also have some material and I will show you each material and you have to name it. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's a duster. And what about this? This is cotton. Do you know what is this? Wool. And this is sponge. And what are these children? Yes, these are crayons. And what about this? Yeah, sketch pens. And these are wooden blocks. And I will show you something. What is this? Yes, what are these? These are coins. And here I have some rubber bands. And these are small weights. And here I have the paper pieces. I'm crumpling these papers and now I have some paper balls. Right? Okay. What did I say? What is this? Yes, this is pan balance. Now I will start adding some things into these pans. Let us see what happens. First I'll start with the coins. Okay. Now I've taken some coins and here I want to put these coins in one pan. What happened? Yes, you can see this pan collapses because it is heavy. Coins are heavy, right? Okay, now the same coins I want to put it in this bag. Again, this pan gets collapsed because these coins are heavy. When a pan comes down because of the weight. What is it? Because of the weight. And that means these are heavy. Now let me do something. Now I'm taking crayons. Okay. Now I'm using crayons. Let me put some crayons here. Okay. As you can see, again this pan goes down. Now I have cotton. What is this? Cotton. If I put cotton in the other pan, what happens? Let me see if this goes down. Oh no. So when I put crayons here, this pan collapses. But when I put cotton here, this doesn't. That means this is light. What is this? Cotton is light. When a pan comes down, that means it is heavy. So what is it? That means heavy. Okay, let us try with few more things. So now this is empty and here I have cotton. Let me try with wooden blocks. If I put wooden blocks in this pan, oh, you can see this completely collapsed. And because the cotton is light in weight, this is here. So that means cotton is light and wooden blocks are heavy. Okay, let me try with this wool. If I put wool bundle here, it remains the same. Right, you can see wooden blocks are heavy and this wool is light. So for light, I am using which color card? Green. For heavy, I am using which color card? Red. So if the pan comes down, if the pan is collapsed, that means it is heavy. Okay. Now let me try with something else. I have paper balls here. If I keep paper balls in this pan, again it is not coming down. That means these paper balls are also light. Yes, light in weight. Now here I will remove these wooden blocks. You can see. Now let me put some color pens. Okay, if I add color pens into this pan, again this comes down, right? That means these color pens are heavier than the paper balls. Paper balls are light in weight. Okay, what about duster? We didn't try with duster. If I keep duster in this pan, let's see what happens. If I keep duster here, again as you can see, it's completely comes down. That means duster is also heavy. Okay. So if I remove paper balls from this and if I keep the sponge, if I keep the sponge here, let me see which is heavy, whether the sponge or the duster. As you can see, the duster is heavy, right? The duster is heavier and the sponge is lighter. Okay, like this you can try with different objects. Whatever you want to try, you can try. Now I have few rubber bands here. if I keep rubber bands in this, okay, and let me keep these small ways in this. Now you tell me which is heavier? Yes, the one which comes down. This is heavier. That means these weighs are heavy. And here you can see these rubber bands are light. Okay. Now I have a doubt. What if I use the same things into these two pans? Okay. Say, what if I use two same blocks in the each pan? If you can see, this is one block and here you can see another block. You can see this is called same or equal. What is it? This is called same or equal, which means I have kept two similar objects in both the pans. As you can see, this shows the similar, right? Now it balances the same. This is called equal or similar. For that, I can show yellow card. Now, it's your turn, children. Whatever you want to pick up from these objects, you can pick up and have a try. And also, you need to show me the right color card. As I said, red indicates heavy, green indicates light, and yellow indicates same. Now it's your turn. Interactive questions. Teachers, please do remember that after every experiment, it is important to ask the questions. It will help us to understand whether or not children understood the concept. Also, it will stimulate their intellectual curiosity and scientific temper. Now, let me ask some questions. Children, can you see this? Can you name what is this? Yes, very good. This is pan balance. And now let me show you some material. You must tell me whether it is light or heavy. What is this? Can you touch and tell me whether it is light or heavy? Yes, this is light. Okay. And what about this wool? Yes, this is also light. And how about these coins? Light or heavy? Yes, these are heavy. And what about the duster? Is it light or heavy? Heavy. Okay. What about the sponge? Is it light or heavy? Light. Yes, you are right. And these wooden blocks, are they light or heavy? They are heavy. So which color card are we using it for heavy? When the pan comes down, when the pan gets collapsed? Yes, you're right. We are using red color card. Which color card we are using it for light? Yes, it is green color. What about the same when we take two similar objects? Which color card we are supposed to use? Yes, yellow card for same. Learning outcomes. This activity provides hands-on experience to children. Children will learn the basic concepts of weight, that is about heavy, light, and same. It will also help them to develop vocabulary so that they'll improve their language skills. It will enhance their intellectual curiosity. Also, It will foster their scientific temper. Instructions to the teachers. Teachers have to read all the instructions thoroughly before they start with the experiment. And you have to be ready with all the required material before you start the actual experiment. And teachers have to ensure that all the children participates actively in this experiment, and all the children need to get equal opportunity to participate, and it should be completely interactive. Thank you.